In this video, I'm going to introduce you to the Price Action Toolkit by FluxChart, a game-changing indicator that could become your secret weapon in trading. Stick around because this might just revolutionize the way you look at the markets. Let's get into it. Now, to get started with this strategy, we need to add the Price Action Toolkit indicator to our chart. I'm going to be using TradingView for this demonstration. Before I add the indicator, be sure to note that this video is for educational purposes only and is not intended to be financial advice or a recommendation to invest. Always do your own research and consult a professional before making any financial decisions. Alright, let's now add the indicator to our chart. Here we are on Indicators and we search Price Action Toolkit, this one, which is written by FluxChart. There will be a link in the description below for access. After you've added the indicator to your chart, you might notice that your chart looks a bit busier than before. Don't worry, we're going to break it down step by step so you can have a better understanding how you can use this powerful tool to enhance your trading strategy. First off, let's talk about the Price Action Toolkit. Introducing a FluxChart new Price Action Toolkit, MTF, indicator. Price Action Toolkit integrates key-level strategy, traditional supply-demand analysis, and market structures to help traders in their decisions. Now with features that are available to use in multiple time frames. Let's see features of the new Price Action Toolkit indicator, as you can see step by step. First off, let's talk about the volumized fair value gaps. Fair value gaps often occur when there is an imbalance in the market, and can be spotted with a specific formation on the chart. As you can see, here is a fair value gap formation. Another powerful feature of this indicator is the automatic detection and volumized order blocks. This is order blocks occur when there is a high amount of market orders exist on a price range. It is possible to find order blocks using specific formations on the chart. And third, volumized breaker blocks. Breaker blocks form when an order block fails or breaks. It is often associated with market going in the opposite direction of the broken order block, and they can be spotted by following order blocks and finding the point they get broken, i.e. price goes below a bullish order block. You can see here as a bearish order block is broken, thus, a breaker block is formed. Now fourth, market structures is sometimes specific market structures form and break as the market fills buy and sell orders. Form change of character, CH, and break of structure, BOS, often mean that market will change direction, and they can be spotted by inspecting low and high pivot points of the chart. You can see the starting low pivot point of the CH, an example of a bearish change of character, CH. Looking another for bullish movement, the starting high pivot of the BOS. These an example of a bullish break of structure, BOS. Number 5, equal highs and lows. Equal highs and lows occur when there is a significant amount of difference between a candle's close price and its high or low value, and it happens again in a specific range. EQH and EQL usually mean there is a resistance that blocks the price from going further up or down. As you can see, high gap between low and close price, and an example of informed equal low EQL. Number 6, buy-side and sell-side liquidity. Buy-side and sell-side liquidity zones are where most traders place their take profits and stop losses in their long or short positions. They are spotted by using high and low pivot points on the chart. You can see here buy-side liquidity zone formed from a high pivot point. Number 7, premium and discount zones. The premium zone is a zone that is over the fair value of the asset's price, and the discount zone is the opposite. They are formed by the latest high and low pivot points. You can see here this is high pivot point that formed the premium zone, and this is low pivot point that formed the discount zone. Last of features, MTF highs or lows. MT highs or lows are actually pretty self-explanatory. You can enable and disable daily, weekly, monthly and pre-market highs and lows. As you can see, here are them marked here. Let's start taking trade with Price Action Toolkit indicator. Before we understand the settings of this indicator, first go to the Input tab, and we have changed the visible extended zone 5 to 15. And if you scroll down, you can see that these settings will keep the defaults. Alright, click on OK. Now know the how to identify trade here. When the trend line of price action toolkit indicator touches again, it breaks the lower high, meaning a bullish break of structure is formed here. Immediately after this break, we will buy the trade from the bullish candle, and keep the stop loss below the trend line, and keep the target at 1 to 1.5 risk to reward ratio, and you can see this is a profitable trade. Move on next trade. You can see the trend line of price action toolkit indicator touches again. It breaks the equal highs, and this indicator make bullish change of character is formed here. Immediately after this break, we will buy the trade from the bullish candle, and keep the stop loss below the trend line, and keep the target at 1 to 1.5 risk to reward ratio, and you can see this is a profitable trade. Conversely, look sell trade examples. You can see the trend line of price action toolkit indicator touches again. It breaks to this lower low, and this indicator make bearish change of character is formed here. Immediately after this break downside, we will sell the trade from the bearish candle, and keep the stop loss above the trend line, and keep the target at 1 to 1.5 risk to reward ratio, and you can see this is a profitable trade. The Price Action Toolkit by Flux Chart is a powerful all-in-one tool that brings together essential price action concepts to enhance your chart analysis by providing clear visualizations of market structure, liquidity levels, and order blocks. This indicator is going to help you identify key trading opportunities with greater confidence. Well, that's been it for this video. I really hope you found some value. If you did, hit the like button below and consider subscribing to stay tuned. Until next time, thanks for watching, and happy trading!